Hey G Squad, welcome back from Soda of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amendment right here, and basically what this is a 3-in-1 smart vacuum that also has the option for you guys to use it as a mop as well, and it also has the option to do self-emptying as well, so that way you guys don't have to worry about emptying that stuff inside until it actually fills up in the actual container, which I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. So basically when you guys first open the product, there's actually a lot of box inside, but let's take all of it out. So right here we have the first one. You can see we do have the brand logo right here. So when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So it looks like the first thing that's provided for you guys inside right here, it might be the actual stand. So that way the vacuum can come up, but we'll find out in a second. Right underneath that, you can see there's a bunch of other stuff as well. So right here it looks like they provide guys a mopping option on here that I believe is like replaceable as well. This actually looks like the other side right here. Right here they provide guys a cable you guys want to use to actually plug it in and charge it up. And I believe this is for the actual charging station. Right here they provide guys a screwdriver and some screws as well. So I'm assuming you guys need to use this to actually mount something together, which we'll figure out in a second. And next up right here, it looks like this might be like a dust bag or something. And right underneath that, they provide guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And right here they provide guys one of the little brushes, then put underneath the product. Next box that we got right here, let's open up. Alright, so when you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So let's take it out as well to see what it actually looks like. Alright, so when you take it out, this actually looks right here. So I'm assuming this is the bottom of the base where the vacuum can come up. And this is basically where actually we charge the power right here. And then for the bottom part right here, I'm assuming this is where actually we absorb like all the dust and everything into the actual product, which is a bag right here later on. So the self-emptying option will probably be on this side right here. And you guys can see in the bottom right here, they do have like a non-slip material as well to prevent the product from moving around once you guys set it up. And also you can see right here and right here, you can definitely see how the dust will actually be absorbed inside right here after this part right here. So that way you guys don't have to worry about emptying yourself, which is definitely pretty cool. So that is basically what the bottom of the product looks like right here. And next up right here, you can see we do have the self-emptying option. So let's take out the bag first. Alright, so once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So I'm assuming for this part right here, they have like a filter option. So that way once all the dust is being absorbed inside the bag, they probably filter out all the bad air through right here. And then this is basically what the bottom part looks like. So you basically want to insert this into the actual base, which I showed you guys earlier. And then the back part right here is where you can plug in the cable to actually activate the product or charge it up. And you see on the top part right here, they do have the brand logo as well. And right here we do have the lid for you guys to open up the actual bin. So once you guys open up, that's what it looks like inside. So you see they already have a preset bag inside right here. So basically once the bag is all filled up, you can definitely use other bags that they provide for you guys. So if you guys open up the bag, you can see what the inside looks right here. And then once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up. And it's all set up that part right here. And then last but not least, we have the actual vacuum right here. So let's take it out. Alright. So once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So let's take out the product first. Alright. So once we take out the vacuum right here, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So we definitely have the power button right here. And then we have this option right here. And then we do have the brand logo right here. And we see on the side right here, they definitely have the wrapper. And then if you see the bottom part right here, this actually looks like the bottom. They definitely do have the wheel option right here to actually move the vacuum. And then we have the slot for you guys to put in the brush. And then for the bottom part right here, it's basically where you guys want to put the mop option. So I'm actually put this on to show you guys what it actually looks like. So basically for this part right here, you just want to insert right here. And then for this option right here, you basically want to snap it in right here. And now you guys do have the mopping option on here as well. So once you guys fully set up the bottom part, this actually looks right here. And I believe for this part right here, if you guys want to open up, you can definitely do it on here. So just like this. So that way if you guys need to clean the brush on here, you definitely have the option. And I'm assuming for this part right here and this part right here, that is basically like the self-emptying option on here. And if you guys open up this part right here, that is basically what the inside looks right here. So we do have the dustbin inside right here if you guys want to throw the trash manually. If you guys don't want to use like the self-emptying option. And then for the top part right here, we do have the power switch as well. And definitely use that to actually connect it onto the app, which I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. They give you guys a little brush option that also comes with a little blade or knife. So that way if you guys need to cut stuff on here, you definitely have that option. And I believe for the middle part right here, it does use like a virtual mapping option. So that way it actually knows where to actually vacuum after you guys keep using often. But that is basically what the product looks right here. Let me actually download the app to show you guys what it actually looks like first before I actually set it up. Alright, so here is the app you guys want to download. So let's download it first. So once you guys finish downloading the app, it'll tell you guys to create an account. Alright, so once you guys finish downloading the app and creating your account, you can definitely add your device on here. So in order for me to actually add the device, I need to set up the product first. So I'm actually going to set this up to show you guys what the product looks like and how to set it up as well. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so I have everything all set right here. I'm going to show you guys how to actually put everything together. So if you guys don't know how to actually install it or whatever, you definitely have the instruction manual right here. But basically first thing I'm going to do is pull out this part right here and put that on one side. And once you guys do that, you guys can peel off this part right here as well. And then you're going to take this part out. And basically want to peel off this part right here. And basically want to actually set this part right here on top. So just like this. Once you guys put this on top, you basically want to put the screws on the bottom part. So there's one spot here, one spot here, one spot here. And basically this part right here is for you guys to actually screw it in to make it tight. So that way it's not loose when you guys actually use the product. Which is really important, especially since you guys are using the self-emptying option on here. Alright, so that should be good. And then once you guys have finished this part, you basically want to flip it around the other side. And you basically want to put this underneath it, which is right here. Make sure it snaps in. Once you guys snap it in, then you guys are all done with this part right here. And then for the smart vacuum right here, you basically want to peel out the side part right here. And you basically can put this right on top. And obviously we need to actually plug in the cable, so I'm actually do that first. So basically the cable you have to unplug it in the back. Once you guys plug in the cable, you can definitely adjust the vacuum right here. So that way the product can start charging. Alright, so we got it all set right here. So basically what's happening now is charging the actual product.
Mopping plate has been installed. Please scan the QR code on the robot to download the app and get started. Please switch on the power before charging.
So basically what's happening now is charging the actual vacuum right here. So obviously if it's the first time using the product, you definitely want to let it fully charge first. So I'm actually connect the device first while it's charging. So you definitely want to open up this part right here on top. And then once you guys do that, you can definitely start connecting on your device, on the app. And I'll tell you guys to press the reset button for 1 second.
Ready for network setup. Scan successful. Connecting to the app.
Alright, so basically the camera on here scanned the QR code that it requires on here. So basically what's happening now is connecting onto the robot. And once you guys finish that part right there, it'll tell you guys to update the firmware. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so we're updating the firmware right here. So I'm gonna let that finish first. So while the product is actually updating the firmware on here, let me show you guys some parts of the actual product right here. So I'm assuming on the side right here, they do have the option for you guys to open up. So that way you guys can pour the water inside right here, and definitely use the water inside right here to actually mop your floor. And when you guys open the inside right here, this is basically the dustbin. So you basically want to actually take out this part right here manually if you guys don't actually use the self-emptying option. And that is basically how you guys actually use the product right here.
Mopping plate has been installed.
Alright, so we're all set. So you see right here, they tell you guys to clean the bin and the filter regularly if you guys want to maintain the product. But basically once you guys finish updating the actual firmware, you guys are basically all ready to actually start using it. So we press on the device right here. It gives you guys the option to use the do not disturb mode if you guys want to, or definitely turn it off. It has the option for you guys to do continuous cleaning if you guys want to. And we see this is basically what the app looks like once you guys finish downloading it. And also we see the back part here. They give you guys the option if you guys want to actually tie your rope or tie the cable around here, which is definitely pretty nice as well. So that way the cable is always organized. Alright, so let's test out the product right here.
Starting cleaning.
So you see right here, the product is stuck because it does have like an anti-drop option, even though it's this low. So if you guys do have some kind of mat or something like this, you probably want to put it away when you guys are using it. So this is basically what standard mode sounds like. Here it's max. And here it's max plus. So definitely really cool how she gave you guys the option to adjust the suction power on here. Alright, so since you actually mapped out the place of where we are, you can see what it actually looks like right here. You guys can click on return to charge when you guys are done.
Return to charge.
So it's basically looking for a charging station. If you guys want to do the auto emptying, you can definitely do that on here as well.
Emptying the dustbin.
Alright, so basically now the dustbin is all empty, so you don't have to worry about it. So definitely really cool how she give you guys the option on here to use the self-emptying option. But now let's put on the cloth to show you guys what the product looks like if you guys actually use the wet cloth option. Alright, so let's try out the mopping option on here. So see, the product definitely does work, but it's not like super powerful compared to like steam mop or whatever. But it definitely works as a mop to actually help you guys clean the floor. You definitely have the option to use the robot vacuum option at the same time if you guys want to, or you can just use the mopping by itself. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. And welcome back, guys. So nice quick test, the product definitely see that she does work, and she works quite well. Definitely really cool how she give you guys the option to use like the self-cleaning option, the self-mop option, and also the self-emptying option as well. But basically for the bags, I believe you guys can reuse those. If not, you can definitely purchase some more from the actual brand. But it's also really cool how she give you guys the option to actually control it manually on the device, or you can control it on the app as well. I believe for this product actually works for both hardwood floor and also carpet as well. But I believe it actually performs a lot better if you guys use it on hardwood floor. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want everything that's on the product here, in terms of the self-clean option, the self-mopping option, and also the self-emptying option as well, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want, or don't need one, or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.